Assalamualaikum. Today I will have for you spicy barbecue chicken wings. Let's do it. I love to wash my chicken wings with water, white vinegar, and baking soda. We will set it for about 15 minutes. Now after draining, we put some spices. We have here black pepper, chicken seasoning, white pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and salt. Mix it properly. Now we put some flour. Mix and properly combine. Now we do fry our chicken wings. We will make a double fry, guys. Now for our sauce, we put ketchup, mustard, brown sugar, white vinegar, hot sauce, butter and honey. Toast. Spicy barbecue chicken wings. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy.